Hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to put together a pool ladder so your kids can have some fun in the sun. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first, you'll take one of the A legs and put a clip down on the leg. They will slide into place where there is a notch. And then do the same thing for the B leg as well. Remember to line up the notches on the clips to get them ready for the stairs. After that, you can take one of the steps and slide it down from the top where it fits into the notches on the clips, and make sure the steps are secure. You will then work your way up the ladder, putting each step in place. If your family is anything like mine, they are staring at you impatiently, waiting for you to hurry up and get done. So let's do this. You will then repeat the whole process for the other legs. For this next part, you can grab the top handles. You will need the screws and other hardware, also the connect bar, a screwdriver, and a wrench. You will begin by installing the screws to the connector bar on the top holes of the handle. You will then do the same thing for the other side as well. Next, you will put the handles on the legs and install the screws to hold them together. As you can tell, the kids got a little restless and began squirting me with their water guns. This did not help the process at all. After you've installed the screws, make sure everything is tight and check the stairs to make sure everything is secure. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and check out my other pool videos here, and I'll see you in the next video.